Digest React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. Today I come to you with a trailer reaction of the Malayalam movie Jallikattu. This was also highly requested by so many of you guys. So without wasting your time or my time, we'll just start. Okay, wait. How can I start without Jallikattu? Oh, Lijo Joe's Pelisseri? Pelisseri. Oh, this is the same, the director of Churuli. No wonder you guys have been asking me to react to this. Oh my god. Before the trailer even starts, I know this is going to be amazing. Is this also horror? Well, we'll see. Let's just start. Okay. I hope this is on an OTT platform, guys, so that I can put it on my watch list. Because if it's this director, I want to watch it. Wow, that shot is so beautiful. Can I just tell you an observation that I made just right now? Even in the Churuli trailer, it starts in like a forest. That story is also based in a forest, and this is also in the forest. So, and in that trailer there was the lady narrating a story. Here there is also like a story narration which is going on. So there are similarities in both the trailers, huh? So I'm guessing this is also like a horror film. Let me know. Yeah, it's in a forest. I'm sorry, I paused it again. I love how in that trailer also and in this trailer also, specifically the forest sounds have been used so nicely. Ah, already loving this. Huh? Oh! Who ate him? Who attacked him? Is this about like an unknown beast attacking the villagers? Is it that? I don't know what Jallikattu means, so sorry. See, because they are running with the fire. Or is it about two clans fighting together? Like fighting each other, I'm sorry. Oh wow. This looks damn interesting. Tastiest meat. He'll say human meat. I guessed it correct. Oh wow. What was that? Okay. Oh wow. Okay, let me just stop that. Oh wow. That was so interesting, and I could like make so many parallels between the Churuli trailer and this one, Jallikattu, and like that is also like based on forest, but that seems more like horror. I don't know. I got the feeling that this is also sort of horror, but it could be like a mystery thriller kind of a film also. But I think the vibe I got was horror, because there also that lady was narrating the story in the Churuli trailer. Here this man is narrating a story, so I could make those parallels. And again, like I said, the trailer gave out nothing, absolutely nothing. It just created like a mystery of what the story can be. Is it like a thing with this director, like he tries to cut such trailers where he creates like this amazing mystery and people are like, what is going to happen in the movie? I have to watch this movie at any cost. So wow, Again, wow, I am running out of praises, huh, guys? Seriously, this looks amazing. I am hoping this is on an OTT platform because I love the Churuli trailer. I love this trailer also, and I want to watch one of like his directed movies to see what kind of direction he does and what kind of vision he has for a movie that he makes. So yeah, that was my reaction to Jallikattu. Thank you so much, guys, for asking me to react to it. I have a list now of trailers of that I need to react to. Thanks to all of you, and really big thank you for people who have started subscribing to the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you so much again. Please do like, share, comment what you. Let me know if this is on an OTT platform, and I hope you like the reaction. More reactions and review to come. The next review will be Komalangi Nights. I am going to watch that movie, and I'm going to post the review on Monday for sure. It's a promise. Alright, so please let me know your thoughts. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Until my next video. Bye guys.